Let us begin with our opening shot, the classic front three-quarter view of the Holden Commodore VT Ute in Glacier White. This angle immediately establishes the car's bold, modern identity. You can see the distinctive four-headlight design, the wide grille with the Holden badge, and the clean lines of the bonnet flowing into the front guards. Notice the number plate, VT Ute 97, placing this model squarely in its late 1990s origins. Moving to a clean side profile from the driver's side, the true nature of the vehicle is revealed. This is the classic Ute silhouette, a full two-door cabin up front, with a practical, open tray at the rear. The roofline sweeps back, and a strong character line runs along the doors, giving it a sense of motion even while standing still. Now, the matching side profile from the passenger side shows the symmetry of the design. The body is smooth and uncluttered, with the same alloy wheels and body-colored mirrors reflecting the clean, white showroom lighting. Turning to the rear three-quarter view, we get a sense of its solid stance. The tail lights wrap around the corners, and the tailgate sits flush with the body. The bumper is substantial and simple, ready for work. In closer detail, the front fascia reveals the intricacies of the VT's face. The headlights are complex units, and the grille has a detailed texture. It's a face that marked a new era for Holden. A corresponding close-up of the rear shows the badging and the robust tailgate handle. The Commodore script is a reminder of its car-like roots. A detailed shot of the alloy wheel shows its simple, five-spoke design, a practical and durable choice for a vehicle built for both work and play. Opening the driver's door, we're welcomed into the cabin. The interior is functional and straightforward, with clear controls and durable materials on the door trim. From the passenger seat, the view is dominated by the dashboard. It's a classic 90s layout, with analog gauges in front of the driver and a central stack for the radio and climate controls. The steering wheel is a familiar three-spoke design. A wider shot shows the full cabin space. It's a bench seat, offering room for three, with a column shifter for the automatic transmission. The rear wall of the cab is vertical, sharply dividing the passenger area from the utilitarian tray behind it. That tray is the next focus, a large, open bed with a ribbed plastic liner, showcasing the vehicle's core purpose as a load carrier. Lifting the bonnet reveals the engine bay. The 3.8-liter V6 sits neatly in the center, with its black plastic intake manifold cover. It's a clean and orderly engine bay, designed for easy access and maintenance. A low-angle shot from the front gives the Ute a powerful, grounded look, emphasizing its width and the design of the front bumper. Inside, looking out through the windscreen, we get the driver's perspective. The view is clear, with a large glass area and a dashboard that sits low for good visibility. A tight close-up on one of the headlights shows the clear lens and the internal reflector pattern, a piece of 1990s automotive design. Similarly, a close-up of the VT Commodore Ute badge on the body confirms the model's identity. Peeking into the rear wheel arch, we get a glimpse of the suspension, a coil spring and part of the independent rear setup that gave this Ute its famous car-like ride. An over-the-shoulder shot from behind the driver's seat puts you in the position of the occupant, showing the relationship between the seat, the steering wheel, and the door. A detailed shot of where the cabin meets the tray highlights the unique architecture that defines a utility vehicle, the rear window, the seal, and the roofline all coming together. Finally, a wide shot of the entire car in the showroom lets us appreciate its complete and cohesive design. Every line flows purposefully from front to back. We end on a simple, familiar detail, the key in the ignition. It's a small object, but it represents the connection to this iconic Australian vehicle, ready to start up and take on whatever comes next.